Welcome to the Toledo-Lucas County Green Map. The Green Map system is an internationally used mapping tool system that allows communities across the world to come together in the pursuit of a more sustainable planet. The Toledo-Lucas County Green Map makes it easier to find green resources in the Northwest Ohio region. Before you start perusing the Green Map, take a moment to check out our website. Once you're there, you can familiarize yourself with the setup of the Green Map, and you can pay particular attention to the icons. So the Green Map is divided into three fields: the Sustainable Living field, the Nature field, and the Culture and Society field. Within each of these fields, subfields are identified. And these subfields just makes it a little easier to find the Green Map icon that you're searching for. And these are the Green Map icons. And once you open up the Green Map, you can find icons by filtering your search or by searching for the name of the icon using the search bar, and that'll be explained in an additional video. So you can see these little shapes, and all of these little shapes represent green icons. And you can zoom in and they will become more apparent, and you can actually see then what the icon is. And you can zoom in and out just by using your mouse, or you can even use these plus and minus buttons in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. And if you would like to find green map locations right near you right now, you can click this button right above the plus and minus tabs to find green resources near your current location.